As y'all can see, this the back door. Did the back door. It's tucked, everything like how it's supposed to be. All three motors. I got one more door for the other side. See, I ran the wire up under the carpet. I gotta put this little panel on to cover up those. Okay, I ran that one through that one. Driver doors, the passenger doors on. As y'all can see, I just gotta tuck them and do the driver back door. It's a wrap. YouTube, hook my box up, run my power, and run the ground. YouTube, look like she'll be a done deal. Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, this little, it's the rod that it comes with. You hook it up with the original rod. As you pull up with your hand, or when it's power, it'll pop itself up, pop down. Alright, I tucked the wires, tucked them real good, had a little extra, so this is a good kit. They come with long enough wires. I don't care how long your car is. This is a 1983 Fleetwood Cadillac, so if it still got extra wires on it, good kit. Y'all know the wires are pretty long that comes with this kit. But alright, YouTube, I'm finna put this door panel on, probably hook up the power and the ground and the brain to the system, and next video I'll show y'all what it working. Alright, YouTube, over and out.